guys, welcome back to your boy Kyle. We're gonna be unboxing a 6mm BB bullet used. It's made in United Kingdom and came from went to United States and went to Qatar. And if you don't believe me, the bullet. If you don't believe me, I even got the gun in the wrap. Let me get the gun. Go open it. I've packaged it and I got a friend from America, a friend from Qatar. A friend from Qatar. He works at the airport. He just sent it to me. And basically, the Qatar airports don't allow this gun. So when we packed it, they even opened it and saw it. They took out all the bullets. Look. You see a little bit of whites? A little bit. They literally took some bullets for testing. They did down there. This is a gun. Good job. Yeah, this is guy. Come here. This guy is a brother. He's my brother. Go down. Put your face down. And in the next video, we're gonna be unboxing this drone. All right. Please watch to the end video and watch the other video. This is a very good drone. All right. Go. Close the door. All right. And shit. It even has a lock. You can lock it from kids. Turn on the light.
What?
Yeah, this one.
This one
You see this one? You can lock it. Now, no matter what you do, you can't do anything. No matter what you do. Don't open it, bro. I'm gonna make the video for next time. Alright. And this. Close it. Alright. And in the next video, we are going to be doing it. The next video, we're gonna be firing it. These guys even took it out, the wrapper. What's this, bro?
What? What is this, bro?
Look, they even broke this.
What is this, bro?
I don't know.
Oh my god, bro. Nah, bro, what is this?
Bro.
Wow. Awesome. You kind of back this in. You kind of this. No,
Bro, be quiet, bro. Close the door. Close the door. And guys, I'm gonna be shooting it, and we're going to be shooting both the white bullets and the blue bullets. The white bullet, I always call it white. The white bullet is a 6mm bullet. The white one is rare, very rare. I got it rare. They're only a little bit in America. I'm joking, bro. It's like they're a little bit. There's like a little bit chance. It's like rare. Stop it. It's rare, and the blue bullet is called 5mm, and it's not that rare. In every packages comes, but my friend, he had his like family friend, and his family friend put the white one. Like he's like my best friend. my dad's best friend, like my family phone. Give me the drone. Give me my drone.
It's mine.
It's not yours. It's mine.
You drone it outside. Let me show you.
No, don't bring it.
It's my drone. And this is the wrapper.
And we are going to be shooting. And this even has suppressor. Alright, guys. We are going to be ending this vlog. Your boy Kyle. And see you in the next video. See ya. Alright. See ya.